Hey guys, I have such an adorable and innovative project to show you today. This is a desk with a seat, but it actually transforms into a toddler tower as well, a stepping tower. And your kids can sit and play on this, or you can simply unlatch this. It has the two latches on the side, and this whole part of this opens, has these hinges right here. It goes up like this, and then you rehinge it, and then this actually goes over and turns into a step. So now you have this little step stool. And on the inside is a chalkboard, so they can draw with chalk. They can use this to go up, and it has these rails on the sides to keep them in there, and this to not fall out. So it can be up to the counter. They can help you with cooking, or a little step stool to get them up higher to see what they need to see, and also to play with. So a really cute design. It's got these bunnies here. Very easy to flip into whichever configuration that you want to use. And kids just love this. They're really drawn to it. They think it's fun to climb on, to play on, to draw with. So a really fun product.